Welcome to the ultimate cheesecake experience. Did you know that the secret to a creamy cheesecake lies in the temperature of your ingredients? Let's get baking. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of digestive biscuits, half a cup of melted butter, 2.5 cups of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of sour cream, and 3 eggs. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Crush the biscuits into fine crumbs and mix them with the melted butter. Press this mixture into the base of a spring-form pan. In another bowl, blend the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Then, add the sour cream and eggs, mixing until everything is well combined. Pour this luscious mixture over the biscuit base and bake for about 50 minutes. Once done, let it cool and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. For a flavor twist, top it with fresh fruits or a drizzle of chocolate. If you love this recipe, hit that like button